But as we progress through the next 3 days, we are going to have a warming trend going on. Tomorrow we'll see a temperature of 91. By Tuesday, 94, which is the hottest day that we'll see this week. And Wednesday, 93, with those rain chances returning. Tuesday and Wednesday, we could see those heat index values exceed 100 degrees. So it's going to be hot, but at least for the next few hours, we won't stay that hot. As we get to about 3 a.m., we'll see the lowest temperature tonight dipping just below 70 in some spots, but some spots struggling to get out of that 70-degree range even as we head into the overnight hours. Right now in RDU, they're seeing a temperature of 86. Down in the Sandhills, just a little bit warmer, just under 90 degrees, but you actually did exceed 90 degrees today. So we'll hope to cool down a little bit as we head through the overnight hours. And if you've been out today, you probably noticed how oppressive that heat is. So it's really muggy out there. Probably had some frizzy hair with those dew points around the mid 60s, and down into the Sandhills dealing with some of those dew points of 70. So that's very uncomfortable to be outside. We're really not going to get a break over the next few days from those dew points. But at least it's nice out. So in Fayetteville, you can see on our sky cam right now, it's really staying clear out there. You're hanging on to a temperature of 87, and you do at least have some light winds to cool you down as you're outside. And it's going to be a nice evening to do so. So if you want to get outside, make sure you do it now with that temperature of 86. As we progress through the next few hours, cooling down just a little bit. And as I mentioned before, dipping down just below 70 in some spots through the overnight hours. It's pretty clear on satellite radar right now. You can see nothing really going on across the Raleigh-Durham area. Maybe some fair weather clouds streaming in, but that's about it. The bigger picture, however, is out to the west towards the mountains. You can see there's watches and warnings in play from Billings, Montana, Rapid City, even down into Denver. You can see some of those severe storm warnings or watches and warnings going on out there, as well as some tornado watches, and then even dealing with some flash flooding in places like Omaha. So thankfully, closer to home, we're staying pretty dry. The only thing that we've had controlling our weather over the past few days was that front that we're now seeing exiting our area, so we don't have to worry about any rain chances from that anymore. Maybe the coastal communities could still see a chance of rain, but even as we progress through Tuesday, you can see it's still going to stay pretty dry all across the viewing area, really not even any clouds streaming in to help cool you down. So that heat really is going to ramp up, and then our next chance of rain will come on Wednesday with that next front approaching us from the west. Your forecast for tonight: Fayetteville, you can see a low of 70, Lumberton 71, so a little warmer in the Sandhills. As we go through tomorrow, Raleigh, you'll see a high of 91, down in the Sandhills reaching about 95 in some areas. It's not possible, it's not impossible to see that happen. And as we head through the next 7 days, we can see that by Tuesday we're up to 94 degrees, Wednesday 93, and those rain chances really returning Wednesday. We're going to hang on to those rain chances through Thursday and Friday, and we do cool down just a little bit, and then finishing the work week off with maybe some afternoon storms, but those highs in a comfortable 85 and 86 degrees.